Okay, it's time to get started with math. It's one of my favorite times of the day. I just absolutely love math. I'm really excited to read our learning target today because learning targets are really fair to us. They tell us exactly what we are about to um, learn, and so what is expected for us to be able to do at the end. So you're able to think back on whether or not you're able to do that, or if you could do better, or if you're just starting. So our learning target today says this. It says, I can write teens as a 10 and some more. I can write teens as a 10 and some more. So today what you're going to be doing is you're going to be writing out teens, but you're going to write those teens as a 10 plus more. Okay? So when we're all said and done, that's what you will be able to think back and figure out if you're able to do that. I often like to start a lesson off with a fun song just to get everybody energized and excited. So we're going to watch a really cool video about teens and how teens are a 10 and some more. So I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and sing along as you start to see the pattern.
Locating numbers with a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come
on, everybody, let's sing it again. A number in the teen is a group of 10.
Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the
teens have a group of 10. Here we go, guys. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones.
11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10.
Okay. All right, so very good. We're going to go ahead then and continue our lesson here. So we have a 10 frame filled. Okay, so this 10 frame means we have 10. And as I add some of the, okay, and as I add one more, I will start going into my teen. So this is just 10, that's not a teen. As I add 1, now I have 11. 10 and 2 is 12. 10 and 3 is 13. 10 and 4 is, everybody? 14. I see some of you saying it. 10 and 5 is 15. 10 and 6 is 16. 10 and 7 is 17. 10 and 8 is 18. And then 10 and 9 is 19. Now, if I was to add one more to this 10 frame, I would now have 20, which is 2 tens, which is not in the teens anymore. So we're going to practice writing some teens as a 10 and some more now. So let's take a look at this first one. And then I'm going to have you practice on your dry erase sleeves, but I'm going to do this one first. So this one here is a 10 and some more. So I'm going to write this down as a 10 and some more. So we know this is a 10. It's a full frame. Makes 10, all 10, plus 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3 equals. Now, I know some of you know it already without having to do what I'm about to do, but I'm going to do it anyway for the students who need this, okay? So we can help them. So we're going to count all of them to figure out how many we have. I know some of the rest of you have a different strategy, but this is what we're going to do right now. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're going to write 13 as 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 3 is 13. So let me ask you though, would there be a quicker way for you to write 13 or count 13? Let me pause and see what you think. Okay, we heard some great ideas. So we could say that we know this is 10. So we could count on from 10. So we start counting at 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. Good, that was a great idea. Okay, if you could please go ahead and get out your dry erase sleeve with your marker and your eraser. I'm going to have you try writing some of these. Okay, I'll pause for a moment while you do that. All right. So we're going to go ahead here and take a look at this next problem, which is a whole 10. However, we have it over here, plus some more, equals a number in the teens. So let me help you get started. We're going to all write a 10 on our dry erase sleeve. Okay, so do that, write a 10. So that counts for this group of stars is 10. Okay, plus these extra ones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could also say 5, 6 plus 6, 10 plus 6 equals, and I want you to figure that out and finish up that equation. I'll pause and see what you came up with. All right, you are right, 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 16 means 1 10, that's this thing, and 6 extra ones. That's what 16 means, okay? Okay, crew, here is another problem. We have a 10 plus some extra ones. So I'm going to actually have you work this one out on your paper or on your dry erase sleeve by yourself, and I'll see what you came up with. Remember, you're going to need 10 plus something equals, okay? So I'm just going to pause here and see what you came up with. Okay, of course you got the correct answer. Smart group out there. We said we have 10 plus 8 equals or is 18. Okay, good. 10 plus 8 is 18. Way to go. So you've gotten a chance to practice a couple of those problems with me, and here is a list of equations of 10 and some more, and the teen that is correlates with that. So here's what it would look like, and you'll probably see a pattern. So we have 10 plus 1. Let's say here, 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Say it with me if you wish. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Notice here, in the tens place, we have a 1 in all these numbers that are teens. And then in the ones place, the numbers change. They count up by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice they match. When I'm adding 1, I have 1 in the ones place. When I'm adding 2, I have 2 in the ones place. If I'm adding 3, I have 3 in the ones place. Adding 4, 4, all the way down. So that is another interesting notice. So now it's going to be time to practice in Seesaw. So you're going to go into your Seesaw activities. And find this one that says Math Teens. Click on Add Response. So along the side here you have 6 math problems to do. So it's just like we were doing together as a class. You are going to take and use your pencil tool here, okay? And you're going to complete these equations to name teens as a 10 and some more. So here we have 10, that's these, plus 1, 2. I'm going to write my 2 equals, and then you're going to have to count them all up and write the answer. Oh no, I made a mistake. Okay, so let's count. I know this is 10, so I'm going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12. So my answer would be 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. So essentially what I'm doing here is our target. We're writing teens as a 10 and some more, okay? So then you'll go to this next one here, okay? And you'll do the same thing all the way down until you've done all 6, and then you can go ahead and check that box and send it to me. Okay, you can get to work.